Good morning, guys. Of course, we have a barbecue cam set up for you where you can literally just watch those ribs on the grill this morning. That's where our second cam is. Yeah, it all starts tomorrow, 11 o'clock, Sunday, 11 o'clock. Great music, great food. And I wanted to do some very special guests right now. This is Gordon, who's the president of Giant, and this is Elaine, who is the president of the USO, Metro DC and Baltimore. And this morning, we're learning a lot about the barbecue battle. This is the fourth year that Giant has been involved in this, but the USO benefits from this.
They have, yes. This is our fourth year, as you say. We started off, we raised $200,000 the first year. Second year, it went up to $400,000. Last year was $682,000, and this year's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
In a few minutes.
Shh, don't say anything yet. And these donations came from people that shop Giant and made those donations at the checkout.
Yeah, they come from our customers who can sort of buy a booklet in store, gives them free coupons for $5. They can also do a roundup in store, and it comes from our suppliers as well. Really supported.
What does that money do for USO?
Well, it allows us to do all of our programs because really the USO is the representative to the American people, to our military, to say thank you for what you do in serving our country, and we don't forget you, and we want you to know how much we appreciate you.
You guys do great work. All right, let's bring this check that we've been trying to hide from Elaine all morning long because she has no idea how much it is. We all know, but she doesn't. Are you ready?
We're ready.
All right. Why don't you tell everybody at home?
As of yesterday morning, we had raised $1 million for the USO.
$1 million.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It is $1 million. Oh my gosh, Gordon, thank you so much. This is going to help, my God. This is going to help our program so much. $1 million is able to truly make that difference, and as you know, we are expanding all of our USO programs. And what's so great is your customers and your employees have really come together to help us really serve our military and their families.
It's our pleasure. Thank you.
What a great way to start the weekend. When you go to the barbecue battle, you will continue contributing to this amount this weekend. It all starts tomorrow at 11. Now, coming up after 7 o'clock this morning on Good Morning Washington, we're going to be eating some barbecue and getting some barbecue tips from the pitmasters. What an exciting morning. Back to you guys.
$1 million.
Yeah, and Veronica tells me that the USO Metro is the largest in the world, so great. All right. Sounds good. Thanks,
good. And then look, they're just going to leave that up and tease us.
Yes.
World famous. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause, please, for Myron Mixon.
Good to see y'all. How you doing?
Good. How are you? I would like you to show off your ring, first of all, to everybody at home.
That's one of four world championship rings.
And you've won this battle 12 times. So now, as we go into the weekend here, what kind of mindset do you get in to win the battle again?
The thing about it is, this is always, and I've said it before at other places and on other mediums, my favorite contest, period. You're right here on Pennsylvania Avenue, one of the most famous streets in the world, cooking barbecue. Now, where do you ever get that opportunity at? I mean, you're not doing it anywhere else on famous streets. I mean, it's cool. You're right here in our nation's capital, and you got like 40 more competitors that are right there, maybe not quite as good as I am, but they're close. And they're all wanting to beat who? Myron.
They've got a lot of hard work ahead of them. How much does equipment play a role in winning the battle?
I mean, you got to have great equipment now. Back when I started doing this in 1996, competing, you know, everybody was kind of the same, but now people are spending the money to get in these rigs. I mean, you're looking at a rig like this is about $65,000. So, but everybody down there is going to have a rig like this. You know, I got my own line of smokers. We're cooking on one of mine. They're going to have their own type of smokers. I mean, it's not cheap to play this game.
So now, but it's all about slow, right? Take it slow. That's what I've learned about.
Not necessarily, not the way we do. We like to do hot and fast. I do briskets in like 4 hours, 20-pound briskets.
All right. Any tips to the people that are trying to take you on tomorrow?
Not going to happen.
That's a true champion. All right, Myron, thank you so much for being with us this morning. I want to bring in Alan real quickly here, who's the man behind it all. It wouldn't be happening if it weren't for you. What do you want to tell everybody at home?
Well, it takes a lot more than me and wonderful people to put this on. So we want to invite everyone down. We're going to make a lot of barbecue, and raise a lot of money for the USO and Capillary Food Bank.
11 tomorrow and Sunday. Come one, come all.
Come one, come all. We got great bands. We've got Everlast, the Spin Doctors on the Monster stage. We have the Pepsi Lay's stage with more bands, and Famous Dave's stage. Tons of music, tons of good food.
Go-go music for days.
Absolutely. One DC stage all weekend, just go-go music. We have rock, we have reggae, something for everyone's taste.
It's going to be a great weekend in the city. Welcome back to Good Morning Washington. I'm Kid O'Shea around town. Barbecue Battle taking place tomorrow and Sunday, Pennsylvania Avenue. You won't want to miss it. This is Alan, who is the organizer and creator of all this. And in fact, if you've ever eaten barbecue in D.C. within the last 20 years, you can thank Alan for that.
Well, actually, me and a lot of other people.
I'm going to give you all the credit.
It takes thousands of people to put this thing on. So we're very fortunate. Giant is an amazing partner. And with the beneficiaries, USO and Capillary Food Bank, and all of their volunteers, we make it all happen.
We said we were going to eat some barbecue here right now from Famous
barbecue,
Dave's.
yes.
Here, I'm going to put the microphone over here. This is not easy.
Delicious Famous Dave's barbecue.
So tell everybody what's going to happen this weekend. It starts tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
Well, it starts tomorrow at 11 o'clock. So at 12 noon, we're going to have our opening ceremony. Eleanor Holmes Norton is going to proclaim the event the official National Barbecue Championship and DC State Barbecue Championship. So DC is working towards statehood, but at least it has a state barbecue championship already.
Love it.
Yep.
You should never eat ribs on TV is what I've learned. Alan, thank you very much. I'm going to come over here to Dave from Famous Dave's. We all know Famous Dave's. But I have to shout out to a Wisconsin boy. Hayward, Wisconsin is where it all started, right?
Hayward, Wisconsin, 1994, and we opened up having the best ribs in America.
And you say your job is what? To make people happy?
I always tell everybody that my whole purpose in life is just to make you happy.
And you do that, and you've done that this morning with all these ribs. Can you teach me how to flip the ribs properly?
You know, I actually could use some help.
Okay.
If you want to help us sauce these ribs,
sure.
We got some of our award-winning barbecue sauce right here.
Us Wisconsin boys are hard workers.
Doesn't that look gorgeously delicious?
There you go. What's it like to be part of this competition every year?
You know, we've been here for 25 years, and everybody knows that barbecue is how America loves to celebrate.
That is true.
And I think this contest that we have here in Washington, D.C. has some of the best rib cookers. We got some great music.
A little smoky day.
A little smoke here. We'll get
but in a good way. It smells amazing, by the way.
We'll take these off the flame here. But, you know, folks, if you want to come down, have a rockin' good time, we've got some great music, got a lot of great tasting ribs. Nation's capital, America loves their barbecue, and we're going to be here making you happy.
And we love you. Thank you, sir. And real quickly, I want to come over here. What an exciting morning earlier. This is Gordon with Giant Foods and, of course, Elaine with the USO. $1 million check presented earlier this morning.
Absolutely. You know, we're delighted, and thanks to all our customers and our suppliers for their support and raising $1 million for the USO and support our military families.
And what does this mean for the USO?
Well, we do so many programs that people don't even know that the USO does, like resiliency programs, whether it's art therapy, music therapy, so many different things. And it's really an amazing what we are able to accomplish. But without this kind of a check, we can't do those things. So we're there to support our military and their families.
That's wonderful work that you guys do. Wonderful that you've done, and all the customers that help make these donations. And people that attend this weekend are also going to continue adding to that amount.
Absolutely. So we're at $1 million already, and we've still got 4 days to go to raise more money. So please come down. Barbecue Battle on Saturday, Sunday is going to be a lot of fun.
I feel like I have ribs all over my face.
So do I.
Okay. So perfect weather this weekend.
Yes.
Help great charities out, enjoy barbecue, live music, all on Pennsylvania Avenue. I don't know why everyone wouldn't be at the barbecue battle this weekend.
I don't either. We have military chefs that are coming that are going to be cooking, and I mean it's like you said, fabulous weather and a way to say thank you to our military and their families.
Well, hope everybody does that this weekend and enjoys the weekend as well. We'll have more of Good Morning Washington coming up right after the break.